Yo, greetings YouTube. It's your boy Mitro out here from Cebu, and today we have to do laundry because I have a lot of dirty clothes and it's time to do the washing before things pile up. So I'm going to be heading to Colleen's laundry house, where I think it's around 250 Filipino pesos per load, which is the equivalent of like €4, maybe 450 US. Now generally I would do self-service laundry. In Thailand I always use oteri wash and dry, which is like 90 baht to 100 baht to do both washing and drying, which is the equivalent of like €2, maybe $2.50. But since I don't know how the self-service laundry here works, like do I need to get my own laundry detergent, fabric softener, and since the self-service laundries on Google Maps that I searched up are a few kilometers away from where I'm staying, I'm rather opting to go to Colleen's laundry house because it's less than a kilometer away, so I can just walk there and then I can walk to the mall. Are you okay? Ayabu Center Mall over here in Cebu, and go to Pancake House to get breakfast. So that's the plan of action for right now. I kind of wanted to go to the Temple of Leia today, but since it's a relatively cloudy day, and as you guys, well, you might not be able to see, but it's rained earlier on, and I checked the weather forecast for 10 a.m. there might be thunderstorms, and later on in the afternoon it's going to be raining. I think I'm going to opt in for the Temple of Leia tomorrow morning, which is like a 5-kilometer drive towards the mountainous regions of Cebu. So maybe I'll go there tomorrow for sunrise. My sleep schedule's been a little bit erratic. I've been sleeping in the afternoon, waking up in the early morning. Today I woke up at like 1 a.m. But if that's the case tomorrow, like I wake up early in the morning, that'll give me the ample opportunity to leave early to the Temple of Leia and go and catch the sunrise depending on when that opens. So I'll catch you guys at Colleen's laundry house. Alright, well, Colleen's laundry was super close, so much closer than I expected. It was only like maybe 200 meters away from my hotel, and for that bag of laundry that you guys saw, which I think is roughly maybe a little bit over a week's worth of clothes, it was only 250 pesos, Filipino pesos, which is the equivalent of like €4.16, I think, and then dollars, the conversion is like maybe $4.46. So that saves some time. Currently it's like 9 a.m. They told me to come back at 2 p.m. So it's super fast, man. It's super fast. I'll probably hang around Ayala Mall, maybe watch the final season of Attack on Titan, final season part 2, because I've yet to do that. And then I'm gonna head to Pancake House now to catch some breakfast. Look at this. Very dope artwork over here on the highway sign. And now the next mission is to cross this traffic, man. That's the one thing I hate about Southeast Asia, is the traffic, low-key, man. And the pedestrian crossings. It is always a little bit chaotic, but we'll have to make do. So let's play the game that we always loved in Phuket, Thailand. When do we cross? Sometimes we just go to walk, bro. Like right now, I guess. I'm just gonna walk across, and yeah, thank God that worked, bro. Wait for this car, and then just walk across. Oh, I got blessed. That was relatively easy. Holy shit. With all sort of traffic coming there. It's all about the lights, bro. But I was blessed by the gods for that crossing. And next, we're gonna head over there. Pancake House is just in that direction. So this vlog is probably gonna be really chill, really cozy. I definitely think it might rain later on the afternoon, so Temple of Leia, we'll probably save that attraction for tomorrow. I might go to the camera store while I'm here as well to get a new GoPro pole, because as you guys see here, I have like this plastic wrapped around, right? Because the material of this pole is like coming off, and you get this like black plasticky stuff all over your hands. Like it's black plastic rubber all over your hands and all over your clothes. So it's not really conducive to have that, especially if I go swimming in the ocean or I go swimming in the pool and I want to film, especially in the ocean. I don't want to have this plastic or have this rubber degrade into the ocean, which it will. So I think I need to buy some waterproof new pole for a few thousand pesos, and I would also prefer something that has a strap, you know, so in case I'm like on the back of a motorbike taxi or something and my GoPro falls off, so it doesn't like fall off, or if I'm ever filming in locations where it's like kind of risky, you know, because maybe in certain countries or certain places someone might try and snatch the GoPro from my hands. So it's always beneficial to have a wrist strap, but mainly for the beaches, mainly for the ocean, mainly for the waves, I want that wrist strap. Am I walking towards the right area? I think I walked here yesterday. Yeah, okay, that's the direction I need to go. That's where Pancake House is, man. It's crazy now. I have to walk all this way before crossing the fence. Man, I don't think this fencing system is the greatest over here, man. But it is what it is. We make do. Yo, I was just crumpling this piece of paper, getting ready to throw it in the bin, but I forgot. This is my laundry slip, man. I need to hold on to that. I'm gonna put that in my wallet. But yeah, let's go to Pancake House, enjoy some breakfast. We're here at Pancake House, cozy little spot as you guys see, and this is where I came yesterday. I think this is where I'm gonna come every day to get breakfast because it's more convenient price than my hotel. And then when I ate lunch at my hotel last time, man, everything was super overpriced and the food was really not good. But here, I vibe with it a lot. But I'm gonna showcase you guys the menu. Well, let's start with the breakfast side first. So there's the menu in the starter, menu and the prices. Yesterday I think I opted in for the ham and cheese omelet, which I'll go for again. And this time I'll probably hit up the chocolate pancakes. And also they got like these desserts. Here's the beverages. And you got like smoothies, teas, etc. You got the kids menus. The main courses as well. If you're looking for something savory. And then some more special sets. Burgers as well, I didn't realize that. Okay. So everything's super reasonably priced, and yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast. Meal one, ham and cheese omelet. And then we got the nuggets, 6-piece chicken nuggets, and we got the waffle sauce. Boy bought a big. Boy just devoured his breakfast. They just took the plates away. I should have filmed the empty plates low key. I didn't have the hindsight of doing that. But I'm gonna get the bill now and then head back to my hotel because it's only 9 AM right now. And everything here opens at like 10 AM. The Adidas store and everything else opens at 10 AM, so I can't really do any shopping. I think everything in the mall generally opens around 10 AM. It's only like this Pancake House area over here, and then maybe some select things like maybe Starbucks over there that open a little bit earlier on. But yeah, that's the gist of things. I think most stores here in the Philippines open around like 10 AM. Alright, so breakfast came down to 863 pesos for the ham and cheese omelet with 2 slices of bread. We got the waffle as well with ice cream and syrup, and then we got the 6-piece chicken nuggets, which were actually big chicken nuggets, which came down to, yeah, a total of 863 pesos, which is all pretty reasonably priced. I think breakfast at my hotel is a lot more expensive, and like I said, the food quality wise, at least when I ate lunch at my hotel last time, it was really lackluster. Even like there's so many other places to eat that are a lot more reasonably priced and are better in terms of quality and what you're getting. And another great thing from the Pancake House was I got a new subscriber, I think, on my channel, and the waiter even asked to take a picture with me, even though I only have like 200 something subscribers. So that made me feel like somewhat of a celebrity, which was pretty nice. Felt kind of shy, felt kind of awkward, but man, we'll see how this YouTube channel grows. I feel like I need more interactions with the locals, and I need to hit up like more local spots, more local markets, try some more local cuisine, especially street food, while that I'm here. But as you can see, right now the weather isn't the best, and it might start raining a little bit later on. So I think I'm just gonna head to the hotel and then watch some Attack on Titan and some anime, and then go pick up my laundry at like 2 PM. Yeah, go pick up my laundry at 2 PM and then plan my next few days, because currently it is Wednesday and I have my hotel here until Friday, and I'm thinking about going to Bohol, catching a ferry on the way there. I'm catching a ferry from Cebu to Bohol, so I'm going to be looking at that and planning that trip accordingly. I'm also going to be looking at other islands and things like that, so maybe it won't be Bohol necessarily, but I kind of want to do some research beforehand, because when I came here to Cebu, I booked this hotel for 7 nights, and I think that's a little bit of a mistake, because I should have personally checked out the other parts of the island. Like there's the waterfalls, which is like 70 kilometers. I think there's the waterfalls. I think the Kwasan waterfalls or something with the K. That's like 70 kilometers of where I'm at. And it would have been more convenient for me to like catch a bus somewhere over there to the next town over, a little bit closer to the waterfalls, and explore different parts of Cebu. But since I leave the Philippines on the 29th, I think it would have been a better plan for me to only book like 2 or 3 nights in a certain location and then plan accordingly, and then go to the next location and spend a few nights there and then go to another location, because that way I get to see more of the Philippines. So right now I've just been exploring in the city center, and I haven't really experienced that much outside of like the more typical tourist attractions. But yeah. Oh crap, I'm on the 8th floor and I'm supposed to go up. I didn't even realize. I thought we were on the 15th floor, dude.
Bands or baby, serve that daily. Have a little look here, son, get wavy. Need some food, hanging out crazy. Same tracksuits, I'm hanging out daily. Come out, look at the smell. Leaving the crib, but you'll be back in a bit.